Good morning everyone, my name is Nur Naila Rahma and I will present about the purpose improvement of the public accessibility system for persons with disabilities with a system dynamic approach case study in Yogyakarta station. And the journal can be accessed at this link. This is an abstract from the journal that I use. The point is, this study aims to determine the satisfaction value of railway service user, especially user with disabilities, and the result showed that the causal loop diagram consists of the behavior of non-disabled passengers toward disabilities, disabilities-friendly facilities, and station management service. The result of the recommendation are that if improvements are not made, the satisfaction value will decrease drastically or the graph will decrease. If improvements are made in the short term, the graph will fluctuate, and if improvements are made in the long term, the graph will become stagnant and stable. Reduction in daily activities. Persons with disabilities can yet live independently because there are no public facilities that can help them. An example is a train. Some railway facilities are not disabled friendly. There are a problem experienced by people with disabilities when using railway service. The first is the platform stairway access to the train is too high. This makes it difficult for people with disabilities to enter the train by themselves. In fact, people without disabilities also find it difficult to enter the train because the distance is very high. The second is the distance between the train and the platform is too far. This distance between the platform and the train is very dangerous because people can fall. The third is the drop-off location is not suitable for people with disabilities. This is actually very difficult for our passengers, not only people with disabilities. And how can a passenger get out if the exit is blocked? And the last one is difficult access to the toilet when using a wheelchair while on the train. The toilet on the train is not very disabilities friendly, especially for wheelchair users. These are the methods used in this journal. The first is study of literature, second is data retrieval, the third is data processing, and the fourth is result and discussion. The research variables are divided into two parts. There are positive variables and negative variables. The positive variables are, the first is station security guard, second is porter, the third is carrying non-disabled passenger, the fourth is Poltuska or railway special flights, and the last one is standard operating procedure. And the negative variables are non-disabled passenger who don't care. The second is different in platform height with train. The third is guiding block. The fourth is disabled emergency stair to board the train. And the fifth is the slope of the ramp on the platform is too steep. And this is what will happen if the system is not repaired. People will not be satisfied and uncomfortable. This is short-term system improvement recommendation. To help people with disabilities in the short term, we can use assistive device to get on the train, and this is expected to improve the railway user satisfaction score. And this is the long-term system improvement recommendation. The first is the height of the train door with the platform is equalized. This can make it easier for people with disabilities to get in and out, also shorten the departure time. The second is added to the guiding block at the station. Will make it easier for blind people to carry out their activities independently. The addition of a yellow guide block that is friendly to persons with disabilities can refer to decree of the Minister of Public Works number 30/PRT/M/2006. And the last one is person with disabilities complain about the height of the ramp when climbing onto the platform due to steep slope. The slope that has been determined by the decree of the Minister of Public Works number 30/PRT/M/2006 is a slope of 7 degrees with a length of 900 centimeters. And this is what will happen after long-term improvement. The satisfaction score will increase. Conclusion: simulation result, if the PTKI does not make change, so the value of disability satisfaction with the use of transportation service will decrease drastically. And if PTKI makes short-term change such as socializing non-disabled passenger and station manager to prioritize user with disabilities, so the graphic result will fluctuate. Meanwhile, if the PTKI has carried out long-term improvements such as renovating environmentally friendly facilities, so there has been an increase in passenger with disabilities to use rail transport system. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.